Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is fill in the blanks, and this is our revision class. We have already finished our all topic of annual term examination, but we have to practice more. That's why we have to revise all of this topic. Let us see today's topic at a glance. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks, and this is our revision class, and this is lecture number 15. This is lecture number 15, and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 15 number SW. So student, let us start today's class. You can see here is 5 fill in the blanks. In our annual term exam, we have total 10 fill in the blanks. We have already provided you suggestion, and today we will do this fill in the blanks based on our suggestion. Here is A number fill in the blanks is for happy and healthy life we have to eat dash. For happy and healthy life, we have to eat good food. The answer will be good food. So, we will write here good food. G-O-O-D, good food. F-O-O-D, food. B number, here is the blanks, and then your teeth every day. What will be the answer? Dash your teeth every day. The answer will be brush. Brush your teeth every day. So we will write here brush. So, brush spelling is B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. So the B number answer is brush. Brush your teeth every day. Now C number, always wash your hands dash eating. Always wash your hands. The answer will be before eating. Always wash your hands before eating. So we will write here before. Before eating. Always wash your hands before eating. Before spelling B-E-F-O-R-E, before. Then D number, have a bath dash. Have a bath. The answer will be every day. Have a bath every day. So we will write here every day. So everyday spelling is E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, every day. So D number is have a bath every day. Now the last one, E number, wear dash clothes every day. Wear dash clothes every day. The answer will be wear clean clothes every day. So we will write here clean. Clean spelling is C-L-E-A-N, clean. Wear clean clothes every day. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you SW. You have to do some SW. Our today's SW number is 15 number SW. This is 15 number SW and our SW will be this, fill in the blanks. And here is 5, fill in the blanks, and you have to do this, fill in the blanks from A to E number, from A to E number. This will be your SW. I am repeating your SW. This is 15 number SW and your SW will be fill in the blanks from A number to E number, from A number to E number. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and do your assign SW in your SW copy. And student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.